Hello, good morning. I am Chandras Giachero, grade 3 Banaba from ETCS 1.
Okay, adverb of place. What are the adverbs of place? What are the adverbs of
Adverbs.
place?
Adverbs of place are a type of adverb that expresses the location of an action or event.
Alright. So, naintindihan? So, it is an adverb that express location. Location, it means place, di ba? Location. Adverbs of place list. So, ano yung mga adverbs of place?
Above, aboard, across, ahead, along, around, away, back, behind, below, beside, between, everywhere, far, here, home, in, inside, near, exit.
Exit or next?
Next.
Alright. So, using adverbs, no? Using the location, no? Adverbs in sentence. So, we can use, no? Number one, usually placed at the end of the sentence. For example, I read. Example.
I found my keys under the couch. She walked around the park. The cat ran away from the dog.
Alright. Then, no, put them from at the beginning of your sentence or in the middle of it. So, pwede natin ilagay ang adverbs of place sa middle or the end. For example,
He moved his chair around the table.
what is the adverb of place dito? Ano yun?
Around.
Around. Next. Read.
Above the clouds, the sky was a brilliant blue.
Alright, so where is the adverb of place? No? Andito
Above.
siya, no? Sa beginning of the sentence. Use location adverbs in a variety of tenses, including the past, present, and future. For example, past tense.
He walked away from the house.
Alright, so past tense, no? Ito ang adverb. Present tense.
She is sitting inside the car.
Alright, so ano yung adverb then? Inside. Future tense.
He will go up the stairs.
Ano yung adverb of place? What is the adverb of place? Ano?
Up.
Alright. Adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner?
Adverb of manner answer the question how it tells us something happened. It is usually placed after the main verb or after the object.
Alright, example.
Accidentally, angrily, anxiously, awkwardly, cheerfully, clearly, closely, fortunately, frankly, frantically, generously, gently, gladly, gracefully, greedily, happily, hard, hastily, healthy, honesty, honestly, hungrily, hurriedly, inadequately,
Lahat na may li, no?
indigenously, joyously, justly, kindly, lazily, dosely, loudly, nervously, noisy, powerfully, punctually, quickly, quietly, rapidly, rarely, really, recklessly, regularly, reluctantly, repeatedly, rightfully, roughly, rudely, sadly, safely, sharply, shyly, silent, sleepily, slowly, straight, stupidly, successfully, suddenly, suspiciously, swiftly, tenderly, thoughtfully, tightly, truthfully, unexpectedly, victoriously.
Alright, so lahat ng adverb of manner may mga li, no? It answers the question how. It tells us how something happens. No? Gina-describe niya, di ba? Usually placed after the main verb, okay? Adverb of time. So what is adverb of time?
Adverb of time is the type of adverb that deals with time. It answers the question when. It deals with the action that happens and tells us that when an action happens and for how long the action happens.
Alright, naintindihan? No time.
Yeah.
Diba? It answered the question when. Sample.
Always, never, just, usually, first, soon, eventually, recently, monthly, annually, often,
Fortnightly. Then,
fortnightly, then, hourly, tomorrow, daily, quarterly, now, generally, today, lately, not until, before, occasionally, ever, seldom, early, rarely, yesterday, normally, earlier, regularly, immediately, tonight, late, weekly, already, next, constantly, previously, frequently, sometimes, finally, since, later, yearly, last, yet.
fortunately. Alright, naintindihan ang adverb time?
Yes.
Okay, so this is an activity. Please get your pen and a paper. Let's try answer, no? Adverbs. Okay, underline the adverb of each sentence. Adverb of time, complete the sentence with an appropriate adverb of time. Alright, so this activity is 5 minutes. Activity number 2, adverb of place, no? Worksheet. So try to answer this practice exercise and adverb of manner. Circle the adverb in each sentence. 5 minutes. Are you ready? Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Please don't forget to share our video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.